morning, Hansgrohe, how can I help?
As a company, we strive to deliver unsurpassed experiences with water. That's what Hansgrohe has been doing for over 120 years. Pioneering, innovating and creating beautifully designed products that enrich people's lives from first thing in the morning to last thing at night. Our German heritage and technology provide consumers, installers and specifiers peace of mind through our quality and reliability. Here in the UK, from our customer service to the wide availability of locally stocked products, we know the importance of being easy to do business with. That's why we work hard in helping to create value for you, our customers.
We recognise bathrooms and the kitchen are the heart of the home. As a company, we provide sustainable experiences designed to work in harmony with the planet's resources.
With Hansgrohe, quality and reliability come as standard.
Our wide range of technical support is all about making your life easier. With Hansgrohe, you can install with confidence. We have a wide range of installer activities designed to help the trade, providing installers with the opportunities to see and experience our products.
It's about supporting all our customers, responding in an effective and efficient manner, ultimately making your lives easier.
We take daily deliveries from Germany and pride ourselves on getting the products to our customers quickly and efficiently.